Okay, so to make your own preset, you just adjust it how you want. So let's say I'm just gonna do some edits real quick, and then do some clarity. It's really vibrant actually. I'll come down here, throw some light and dark on it, give a little contrast. Actually, yeah, there we go. Okay, so then you have your before and after. It's this little YY. And then, so you can see that you've done an edit to it, and you could say, create preset. And then if you wanted to edit everything, you can, but like if you're doing a color preset and you click to change white balance and you've put it at 0, it'll affect that. So I only select what I've actually changed. So exposure, highlights, oh, we didn't do any contrast. Well, you'd want no contrast. Clarity, black, white, shadow. I did affect the vibrance. Okay, and then we're gonna say test preset, and that you can put it whatever you want, and then you could even group it to whatever you want it in. You can, these little folders that I have over here, I have global things that affect everything, like the whole photo, like something to start with, and then I have single focus, I call them, where it only does sharpness or it only does contrast or something. So, and then you say create, and our test preset. So if I reset this photo now, I can just push this and it'll go right back to our preset. So we've now saved all these settings so that now we can come over to this photo, which was shot in the same lighting and everything, and use the same preset. So it's pretty cool. It's really handy because a lot of people are going to have presets online that you can buy, but it's, if you know how to use Lightroom and you're just trying to save time, you can make your own preset for free.